Hello, this is another episode of Stump Knocker Garage, and I'm going to be removing the original gas tank from the 55 Chevy pickup truck. Hasn't been removed really since day one. At this point, I started loosening the bolts from the two straps that there are. There's one strap, there's the second strap that hold the tank down. Some of these bolts are very old, so in my particular case, they broke pretty much halfway in, so I'll have to tap them out or something underneath. That's all right. Basically, it's got the two straps. Apparently they had not used it previously, so I'll either be cleaning it or getting a new one. That's where the sending unit's at. Pretty rusted. All original. Here's the fuel line that goes down under the cab towards the motor. Here are the actual cables, connectors for power on the gas tank sending unit. These I had already removed these guys, loosened them up, the clamps. Two on the lower one, two on the breather line. So at this point, it's pretty much just yanking this tank out little by little, loosening these old hoses somehow. Not sure if they'll come out. Well, that came out kind of easy. And in back there, there's a little bit of everything. Gotta clean that up now. It's not too beat up. Probably just the inside that's bad. Again, 55 Chevy pickup truck. Removal of the gas tank, original. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you can.